Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return online. Filing your taxes electronically can be a straightforward process if you are prepared. First, you will need to understand the basic requirements and gather all your financial information. This includes income statements, deduction records, and any other relevant forms. Choosing the correct filing method is also crucial for a smooth experience. Before you even start, ensure you have all your essential documents. This typically includes your W-2 forms from every employer you had during the tax year. If you received income from other sources, like freelance work or investments, gather your 1099 forms. Don't forget to organize any receipts or records for potential deductions and credits, as these can significantly impact your tax outcome. Now, let's walk through the actual filing process. Begin by selecting a reputable online tax software or service that suits your needs. Carefully input all your financial information, following the prompts provided by the software. Take your time to ensure accuracy, as even small errors can cause delays. Once everything is entered, thoroughly review your entire return for any mistakes or missing information. After a careful review, you are ready to submit your return. Electronically sign and submit your completed tax return through the chosen online platform. It's highly recommended to keep a digital or physical copy of your filed return for your records, typically for at least 3 years. Finally, track your refund status or confirm your payment to ensure everything processed correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.